In the competitive world of furniture retail, standing out is more crucial than ever. Furniture product demo videos have emerged as a powerful tool to captivate potential buyers and provide them with the information they need to make informed purchasing decisions. These videos are not just about showcasing aesthetics, they integrate functionality, usability, and value propositions, creating a comprehensive narrative of what each piece offers. Furniture demo videos offer an immersive experience that static images or text descriptions simply cannot match, especially when created through social media video services. Through dynamic visuals and engaging storytelling, these videos allow potential buyers to see the product in action, understand its features, and envision how it might fit into their own spaces. This visual storytelling is essential in bridging the gap between online shopping and the physical experience of touching and feeling furniture in a store. Moreover, the rise of online shopping has made it imperative for furniture retailers to adapt their marketing strategies to meet changing consumer behaviors. With more people turning to the internet for their purchasing needs, providing detailed and engaging product demos can significantly influence buying decisions and reduce the barriers that come with purchasing furniture sight unseen. Why product demo videos are important for furniture buyers? For furniture buyers, product demo videos serve as a critical resource. They provide a tangible sense of scale, style, and functionality that is often lost in traditional online shopping. These videos can demonstrate the assembly process, highlight key features, and showcase the product in various settings, helping buyers to visualize how the furniture fits into their own homes. One of the most significant advantages of demo videos is their ability to build trust. By transparently presenting the product, including its strengths and potential limitations, buyers can feel more confident in their purchasing decisions. This transparency is crucial for establishing credibility and fostering long-term customer relationships. Furthermore, product demo videos can address common customer questions and concerns up front. By preemptively answering these queries, retailers can streamline the decision-making process and improve customer satisfaction. When potential buyers are equipped with all the necessary information, it reduces the likelihood of returns and enhances overall purchasing satisfaction. Key elements of effective furniture product demo videos. Creating an effective furniture product demo video involves more than just filming the product. It requires a thoughtful approach to content and presentation to ensure that the video meets the needs of potential buyers. Here are some essential elements to consider. Visual appeal, high-quality footage, use professional-grade cameras and lighting to capture the furniture in its best light. Multiple angles, show the product from different perspectives to give viewers a comprehensive view. Attention to detail, highlight unique features, textures, and finishes that make the product stand out. Informative content, feature demonstration, clearly demonstrate how the product works, focusing on its key features and benefits. Size and scale, include comparisons to common objects or people to give a sense of scale. Usage scenarios, show the furniture in various settings to illustrate versatility and suitability for different lifestyles. Engaging narrative, storytelling, use a narrative that connects with the audience, focusing on how the product can improve their daily lives. Customer experience, incorporate user testimonials or stories to add authenticity and relatability. Call to action, end with a compelling call to action, encouraging viewers to learn more or make a purchase. What buyers look for in furniture demo videos. Understanding what buyers seek in furniture demo videos is key to creating content that resonates. Here are some factors that influence their viewing preferences. Clarity and conciseness. Buyers appreciate videos that are clear and to the point. They want to quickly understand the product's features without sifting through unnecessary information. A concise video that delivers key information effectively is more likely to hold their attention. Authenticity. Authenticity is crucial for building trust. Buyers are keen on seeing real-life applications and honest portrayals of the product. They value transparency over overly polished or exaggerated content. Videos that address common pain points or demonstrate how the furniture solves specific problems are particularly impactful. Buyers are often looking for solutions to enhance their living spaces, and videos that highlight these solutions are more likely to convert viewers into customers. Best practices for filming furniture product demos. Creating professional and engaging furniture demo videos requires careful planning and execution. Here are some best practices to consider when filming. Pre-production planning, script and storyboard. Outline the key points you want to cover and plan the flow of the video. Set design. Arrange the filming environment to complement the furniture, ensuring it is clean, well lit, and aesthetically pleasing. Equipment selection. Choose the right cameras, microphones, and lighting equipment to ensure high-quality production. Filming techniques. Steady shots. Use tripods or stabilizers to avoid shaky footage. Natural lighting. Whenever possible, utilize natural light to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Close-ups and pans. Employ close-up shots to highlight details, and panning shots to show the entire piece. Post-production considerations. Editing software. Use professional editing tools to enhance video quality and add necessary annotations or graphics. Sound quality. Ensure clear audio, with a focus on minimizing background noise and using quality voiceovers. Consistent branding. Incorporate branding elements like logos and color schemes to maintain brand recognition. Editing tips to enhance your furniture demo videos. Once the filming is complete, the editing process plays a crucial role in creating polished and professional furniture demo videos. Here are some editing tips to elevate your content. Streamline the narrative, cut unnecessary footage, remove any redundant or irrelevant clips to keep the video concise. Logical flow. Arrange clips in a sequence that logically explains the product's features and benefits. Clear messaging. Ensure that the video communicates the intended message clearly and effectively. Visual and audio enhancements. Color correction. Adjust colors to ensure they are vibrant and true to life. Soundtrack. Add background music to enhance engagement, but ensure it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Subtitle and captions. Include subtitles for accessibility and to cater to audiences who may watch without sound. Professional touches. Branding. Incorporate company logos and consistent color schemes to reinforce brand identity. Call to action. End with a strong call to action, prompting viewers to visit your website or contact for more information. Engagement prompts. Include prompts to like, share, or comment, encouraging viewer interaction. Incorporating customer testimonials in demo videos. Customer testimonials can significantly enhance the credibility of furniture demo videos. By including real customer experiences, you can build trust and provide social proof of the product's quality and satisfaction. Authentic customer stories. Genuine feedback. Use authentic testimonials that reflect honest customer experiences. Diverse perspectives. Showcase testimonials from a range of customers to appeal to a broader audience. Before and after. Include before and after scenarios to demonstrate the product's impact. Integration techniques. Visual integration. Seamlessly incorporate testimonials into the video, using split screens or picture-in-picture techniques. Voiceovers. Use customer voiceovers to narrate their experiences, adding a personal touch. Text overlays. Highlight key customer quotes with text overlays to ensure they are noticed. Impact on viewer engagement. Enhance trust. Testimonials increase viewer trust and confidence in the product. Relatability. Real customer stories make the product more relatable and tangible for potential buyers. Decision influence. Positive testimonials can significantly influence purchasing decisions by addressing common concerns and emphasizing benefits. Platforms to share your furniture demo videos. Once your furniture demo video is ready, sharing it on the right platforms is essential for reaching your target audience. Consider these popular platforms for distribution: social media, Facebook and Instagram. These platforms are ideal for reaching a wide audience with visually appealing content. Pinterest, perfect for showcasing home decor and furniture. Pinterest can drive significant traffic. TikTok, utilize short, engaging clips to capture the attention of a younger audience. Video hosting websites. YouTube, as the second largest search engine, YouTube is an excellent platform for hosting and sharing demo videos. Vimeo offers a professional setting with high-quality video playback and customization options. E-commerce platforms, Amazon and Etsy, if you sell on these platforms, include your demo videos in product listings to enhance the shopping experience. Company website, host videos directly on your website to keep visitors engaged and informed. Measuring the success of your furniture demo videos. To ensure that your furniture demo videos are achieving their intended goals, it's essential to measure their success using various metrics and analytics tools. Key performance indicators, KPIs, view count, track how many people have watched your video to gauge its reach. Engagement rate, monitor likes, shares, and comments to assess viewer engagement. Conversion rate, measure the number of viewers who proceed to make a purchase after watching the video. Feedback and adaptation, viewer feedback, encourage viewers to provide feedback and use it to improve future videos. A/B testing, experiment with different video formats and styles to determine what resonates best with your audience. Continuous improvement, use analytics insights to refine your video content and strategy over time. Tools for analysis, Google Analytics, track website traffic and video performance metrics. YouTube Analytics, access detailed insights into video views, demographics, and viewer behavior. Social media insights, utilize built-in analytics tools on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to monitor video performance. Conclusion, elevating your furniture marketing with demo videos. Incorporating furniture product demo videos into your marketing strategy can profoundly impact your business's success. By providing potential buyers with detailed insights, addressing their concerns, and showcasing your product's unique features, you can create a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience. Through thoughtful planning, professional production, and strategic distribution, these videos can enhance buyer confidence, reduce return rates, and ultimately drive sales. Remember, the key to success lies in understanding your audience, being authentic, and continuously refining your approach based on feedback and analytics. Read more on hogdigest.com.